This week, I thought I'd go over some statistics and numbers with you to encourage you about the real estate market, which is doing just fine in terms of our gains. So how about this number, $47.5 trillion? That is the total of home values across all the United States. That is an impressive number. Redfin came out with their report this week about things like that, and of course, the 2023 year in review on gains. So they also ranked the US cities according to who has the highest overall total home values. And interestingly enough, number 5 on that list was the greater Anaheim metro area, which is essentially Orange County. That came in at $1.13 trillion in total home values for the area. Very impressive. What's even more impressive are the overall gains in average home pricing in 2023. For the United States in general, that was right around 5%. In Orange County, overall, it was 5.5%, but it gets even better if you're coastal. So San Clemente, for example, had gains of about 30% on average from January to December 2023. That's a crazy impressive number. Dana Point came in with 24% in gains, very strong. And our friends in San Juan Capistrano did really well at 16% as well. So living in California, coastal California, is a very good thing. These are the elements of the benefits of home ownership, these amazing gains in equity year over year. If you've been waiting to time the market, you really should consider jumping in, because everybody who has purchased in recent years has felt those amazing gains as well. So if you're thinking about it, I'd love to sit down with you and create a strategy that works best for you. And of course, I'm always here for any questions. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you next time. Take care.